guys, today's day 2 of our trip to North Carolina. It's already 11 o'clock. We woke up, well, I woke up earlier and I did some editing. And so now everybody's awake. I am making some pandesal, some Filipino sweet bread. Or it's not that sweet, slightly sweet. And I'm gonna let it rise for another hour into the oven. So nothing special today. It is raining outside. We are going to watch the, was it Grindelwald? I don't know, but it's Fantastic Beasts movie, the movie number 3. But that will be for a little bit later. So I have to finish baking this and then we'll get ready. This was our breakfast for this morning. We had eggs that was cooked in bacon fat and salt and pepper. We also had breakfast sausages, which we also ate. So it's not enough for all of us to eat. So now we gotta cook a little bit more food, and my sister-in-law is planning to cook tocino chicken, which is like a marinade on the sweeter side, but with chicken. So that's what's left. It was really good. I'm editing my footage from yesterday. It was really windy. Now that I'm editing, I can hear a lot of wind. I don't know how to edit the wind on iMovie. I don't have either one of those devices you put on top of the camera to kind of reduce that noise. I'm just gonna work with what I have. I'll probably add some music to some of the footage. But it was a fun day, and this you'll see later on today, because I was a day late. So this, it's already like past 12. I'm trying to get this done and edited, and more footage for today for tomorrow's VEDA. Here's our dough that we've been rising for the second hour, basically. Second rise, I should say. Wow, like, I'm trying not to deflate it because I may have proofed it a little too long. Oh, wow. It looks really good. Okay, I'm going to get that into the oven and hopefully it doesn't deflate. So we're catching up on the Fantastic Beasts. This is the first movie. We have another one to see because tonight we'll be watching the third one. It's already past 12 o'clock and I haven't even had a cup of coffee. What in the world? So I'm gonna have it right now. Starbucks coffee. The breakfast is just dragging today. This is chicken tocino that my sister-in-law made. I haven't tried it, but I can already smell it from the pan. It smells very good. Yum. We're just chilling. We're not really in a rush to go anywhere today.
When I do that, he just like
Hey,
tilts his
Mochi.
head.
Hi, Mochika.
So cute.
So it's raining. We can't do any outdoor activities today. A movie is actually perfect, and probably a little shopping, maybe thrift shopping. So my sister-in-law's house is so beautiful. The neighborhood is gorgeous. The house is huge. And here on her front porch, she has rocking chairs. Come on, Aiden. Here's my nephew. Hi. I'm just like taking over his house for a week and his room, but you know, he doesn't mind. I could sit here all day and it doesn't, you know, I don't care if it's raining. It's just very relaxing.
Make sure the subscribe button isn't red.
Thank you. My bread's ready. A little brown, but it looks delicious. I didn't use bread flour. This was just all-purpose flour, and I think it came out right. I didn't use more than a tablespoon of yeast, which I did on my video. So I think with just the regular flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast is fine. I think if it rises too fast, it changes the taste of the bread. So this was like full hour on the first rise, a full hour on the second rise. And then 18 minutes of cooking, baked at 350 degrees. Here's a second shot. It just looks so perfect. Ah. Wow, came out right for a change. Sometimes my breads don't always come out right. How was it, Len?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's good.
You can see all the air in the bread and how much it rose. I'm gonna try one. So it's my turn to eat.
I like muddles better. But do you know most of
Oh man, this is good.
sandwiches,
This is one of the best pandesal I've made.
they're not pure blood.
Oh wow.
They're like half.
Mm-mm.
Oh really?
I can't have all of this. I am low carb. I'm trying my best to lose some weight because I am small. I'm under actually 5 feet. And just a little bit of weight makes a big difference on me. So I want to lose 5 pounds before the summer.
From the first one that came over are of descendants of...
This is not helping. Out of the house, we're on our way to watch the movie Secrets of Dumbledore. So my daughter here, she's all dressed up as a Hogwarts student, and she has her wand with her. And what kind of student are you, Camille?
I'm a Ravenclaw student.
She's a Ravenclaw. Alright, I think we have one of each. Serena claims she is not Slytherin, but she acts like one.
Excuse me?
Yes. So it's actually a perfect day. It's cloudy, it's raining. Like, this is an indoor activity. And we're celebrating or watching it with our cousins, with our family. It's raining pretty hard. It's been raining pretty much the whole day. Right now it's 2:30 in the afternoon. It's been raining since I woke up around 7 o'clock. Wow. We made it into the theater. We're just on the line for refreshments. Popcorn and soda always.
You asked, but I would highly recommend learning charms. Belly, what kept you?
Alright, so we're done watching the movie. It's called Fantastic Beasts and the Secrets of Dumbledore. I finally got it right. So anyway, here is the poster. It was a really good movie. It might have lagged a little bit in the beginning, but it builds up the story. I loved it. I just enjoyed the movie. It's meant for really all ages. So if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead. All you Harry Potter fans and Fantastic Beasts and the whole Wizarding World fans, go and watch it. You won't be disappointed. Here's the poster for it. On the way here, we wanted to go to Hardee's, and the one that we found on the GPS was like 20 miles away. And this one, like, we lost our craving for it, but as soon as I saw the sign, I was like, yes, we need to have it. So we're gonna have this for dinner. We're gonna have Hardee's for dinner, and also my mother-in-law is gonna cook us some dinner. But this I'm craving for right now. Oh my God, here I go. I got 40 pieces of the chicken tenders, and this was $40. But well worth it. So just showing you, if you guys don't know what Hardee's is, like, we just found out the last time we went to Virginia and we're hooked. These are chicken tenders. They also have chicken sandwiches, but oh my gosh, these are the best. All right, so my husband wants one. I'm gonna go ahead and feed him one.
Come on, just give it to him.
All right, he doesn't want to be fed. All right, this is it. Oh. Oh yeah. They have different dipping sauces. There's 5 kinds. Let me see what it is though. There's 5 kinds of dipping sauces. At least here, they only give me 5 kinds. So one is buttermilk ranch. The other one is the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, honey sauce. There's also honey mustard. And the last one is buffalo sauce. I'm going to open one of each when we get home and I'm going to taste it. But oh man, that chicken, so good. We're back home And my nephew is showing me he can solve Rubik's Cubes in 14 seconds. So at least today he did 14 seconds. So let's see how fast. He has a timer. Yeah, you can't ask me to do one of those because I have no idea.
I keep messing up.
Because I'm taping him. I'm recording him. Whoa, how many seconds?
18.
18 seconds, guys. Can you solve a Rubik's Cube that fast? Or at all? I can't. Alright, good job, Aiden. Look, he has a setup right here, look. He has a mouse pad, Rubik's Cube. He's like professional here with his timer. And why is there a left and a right?
It's basically like a stack mat timer, so like you put that down and then
Oh, you both of your hands. Ah, okay.
when you
See? Profesh. It's 10 o'clock at night and we have to start winding down to go to bed. My sister-in-law and my brother-in-law has to go to work. They were off today. So they just headed off to sleep. My nephew is still awake. He's having his cereal. Right? No. He's having sinigang. Sinigang is like a sour like Filipino soup. It's really good. My mother-in-law made it. It's delicious. You can actually have different kinds of meat or fish and then vegetable, and then we have like this sour packet, or we call it like tamarind, and it makes the soup sour. Well, all together it's like a delicious comforting soup. I had Hardee's chicken, so I'm full from that. I just finishing editing the video that's supposed to be posted today, and I exported it. I just have to upload it to YouTube, which takes a while lately. So whenever that's done, I'm going to upload it. It's supposed to be for today. I'm just kind of like a day behind for VEDA day 2, and this is VEDA day 3 this is VEDA day 3 that I'm going to be finishing off. Another day, it wasn't busy. We just had like a chill morning at the house, and then the Fantastic Beasts movie, Secrets of Dumbledore. So that was our day. So I'm gonna end the night with this cutie pie right here. Hi, Mochiko. He's being very spoiled right now because he has a lot of people that want to pet him and hold him. Yes, you. We're talking about you. Alright guys, thanks for watching VEDA day 3, our trip to North Carolina. Tomorrow, we don't have anything planned. We're just gonna go by the fly. Alright guys, have a good night. Good night. Good night, said Mochi. Mochi said good night.